In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an AI agent in Relevance AI. Creating an AI agent can be a rewarding endeavor, and Relevance AI provides the tools you need to get started efficiently. First, let's head over to Relevance AI. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the platform's features. Once you're there, look for the Agents tab. It can often be found in the main navigation menu. Clicking on this will bring you to the Agents dashboard, where you can manage, edit, and create new agents. Now, on the Agents dashboard, you should see an option labeled New Agent. This is your starting point for building a new AI agent from scratch. Click on New Agent to open up the creation interface. Here, you'll find several options to begin crafting your agent. Look for the option that says Build with Invent. Selecting this option allows you to delve into Relevance AI's comprehensive toolset, designed to assist you in crafting a capable AI solution with minimal hassle. But that's not all. If you're looking for a more guided experience, click on or choose a starting point. This option is tailored for users who prefer using predefined templates or want a head start with their project. It's a great feature for those new to AI modeling or those who want to expedite the process without starting entirely from scratch. If, however, you prefer a more structured walkthrough, you can use the guided wizard. It will walk you through various selections and configurations step by step, ensuring you cover all necessary aspects of the agent's functionality. This is especially helpful if you're still getting acquainted with the tools and flows in Relevance AI. On the other hand, if you're more experienced or have a specific vision for your agent, you can choose to build your agent from scratch. This option gives you full control over the agent's setup and functionality. You'll be able to customize it to your exact needs without constraints from preset configurations. Another excellent feature Relevance AI offers is the ability to import an existing agent configuration from a file. This can save you time if you have pre-designed agents or prefer to work with previously configured settings. Simply upload your file and you'll have your agent configured in no time. Before launching your agent, there's one more step. You'll need to input a prompt for your agent to act on. To do this, locate the designated box where you can enter your prompt. This step is crucial as it defines the initial instructions set your agent will follow. After inputting your prompt, the final step is to click Start. This action will initiate your agent, allowing you to see it in operation and divine any necessary changes based on its performance. And there you have it. Your AI agent is up and running, ready to assist you in achieving your objectives.